Monday, and I am, at the time of you viewing this video, I'm at camp in Mississippi. So just wanted to get some a video out for you today. And like I said, I'm this is Friday for me. I'm taping this on Friday, but you're seeing it Monday. But I thought it would be neat. I'm getting ready to go to camp and packing up my crochet, because yes, I take my crochet to camp. My crochet goes wherever I go. And I know you diehard crocheters out there do the same thing. So at camp, we always have a few minutes to, or not a few minutes, good night. We have a few hours in the afternoon where we have free time. We are able just to hang out with our friends, go back, take a nap in the cabin if we want to, do whatever we want. So I am bringing my crochet project. And one of the projects that I'm bringing is if I can get it in the right direction, the tank top that I'm working on. So I'm working on this tank, and I like a wide strap on my tank. So this is I haven't got that far yet. This is the armholes. So it's kind of right here. So I still have to work the straps. That's what I've got to. But this pattern is a Pinterest pattern. I'll link it in the description box. And it's made with V stitches and let's see, a row of V stitches and a row of granny stitches, the 3 double crochet clusters, and you just repeat that. It's so simple, but you make a front panel and a back panel and sew them together, and that's it. So I thought what would be fun, and I hope you guys think it's interesting to watch, but what I thought I would do is show you how I pack my bag, and just show you this bag that I use. And if I can find the link to it on Amazon, I will put that link in the description box also. So let me get my bag and I'll be right back. All right, got my bag, and I love this bag. My daughter got me this a couple years ago for Christmas, and I love it. This is the name, I don't even know, Leudes, I guess, Leudes. But I absolutely am in love with this bag, and I'll show you the features of it and why I love it so much. You can use it like a backpack, and it's got pockets beyond pockets, people. It has pockets everywhere. So you have a clear see-through pocket back here with a zipper that you can put things in. There is a pocket on either side. Okay. And then you have this huge pocket on the back. Now, my laptop fits in this. So if I'm going to take my laptop with me, I can put it right in here, and look at the inside of it. There are loops down here in this flap that you can put crochet hooks, your needle cases, whatever. There's pockets right here. More loops to hook things in. I've got my Critters crochet business cards handy dandy in here. And I'm telling you guys, there's pockets galore in this thing. I love it. Then on the side too, you can see these little grommets that are on here. There's 3. 1, 2, let me get my fingers in here so you can see it. There's 3 grommets on each side. One over here, 2, 3. And that's great for putting if you're working on a project that has multiple colors, you can pull your yarn through these holes and use them that way without taking your yarn out. And that 3 more on this side. So then on the inside, let me see. On the inside, you have even more pockets. Now I've got chapsticks and skin sticks, and you can put your hooks in here like I have, and I've got some hand lotion because, yeah, crocheters need their hand lotion. But I don't know if I can hold this up where you can see this. There we go. Look at the 2 big pockets. There's 2 on either end, and then 2 on either side. And look at how much room. I can put a ton of yarn in here for projects. But, yeah, so I've got my yarn here for my tank, and I put my tank in here, and then I have my hooks and everything that I need right here in this bag, and I can just zip it up and go, and I can carry it like a backpack. I take this bag with me whenever I go to when we're on a long car trip. um, it goes with me. And I always have a project in here so I can just grab it and go when we're ready to get in the car. And then I have something to do on the trip. So I cannot wait to get to camp, guys. I thought maybe I'd tell you a little bit about it. Uh, Sardis Lake Christian Camp in Sardis Lake, Mississippi. It's amazing. And I can't wait because one of my oldest grandson, Tucker, love this kid. He is going to tell a joke of the day every morning when we meet outside our mess hall. We all the kids and counselors meet in the morning, and we have a little devotional and prayer before breakfast. And he's going to get up on the porch of the mess hall, and he's going to do a joke of the day before we get into our devotional. I cannot wait. So anyway, I just wanted to share this bag with you, and I hope that you are having a wonderful Monday. During the week of camp, we don't have very much service. Um, we don't get cell service out there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, I'm also trying to upload a video while I'm doing this. So sorry if I look down at my phone every once in a while. But there's very little cell service at camp. And when I'm at camp, I'm all about camp. So I don't get on my phone a lot. So you may not see me too often. I might be able during free time, if I'm in the cabin or at night when the kids go to bed, I might do a little short video real quick and put up a short or two. I might do a short while we're at camp. I don't know. They are, which is a good thing. We're trying to set an example for our kids, and we want them to disengage from their phones and social media while they're at camp. And so we have to be the example. If we don't want them on their phone, then we don't, as counselors, we don't need to be on our phones all the time. So I'm trying to disconnect for that week and just enjoy the fellowship, and just my time to reflect, and think about God, and think about my life as a Christian, and just be with other Christian people, and just have a week of just not worrying about anything except for what's going on at camp. So you're going to see this video on Monday. You're going to see my Wednesday video for Battle of the Stitches. There may or may not be a Friday video. It just depends. But once I get back, I do plan on making a video to show you some pictures, and yeah, to show you pictures and different things that that happen through the week. So thank you guys for joining me today. I'm going to get off of here and finish packing now that I've got my crochet done, because priorities, guys. Now that I've got my crochet done, I've got to go down and pack up my clothes. So I will talk to you guys later. I hope you have a marvelous Monday. I love you guys. Thank you for all of your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.